In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram OTP is not coming. So for doing that, I will show you some process that will fix your problem. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using the correct phone or phone number. So if you are waiting for an SMS code and not receiving it, one of the most common problems is that you are using a different phone and have changed your phone number. So you have to make sure that you are using the correct phone number and the correct phone. And number two is that you have to ensure you have a reliable internet and cellular connection. You won't be able to get a code from Instagram if your cellular connection is poor and you are out of the service area. So you have to make sure that you are using a reliable internet connection so that the code could be sent to you. And then you have to check to make sure that you can receive SMS messages. So you have to make sure that your SMS app is rightly working. And then you have to make sure that your phone is on set to do not disturb mode. This one is easy to miss. It's possible that you are not seeing SMS messages arrive because your phone is in do not disturb mode. And then clear your Instagram app's cache. It's possible that the app isn't sending a request to the Instagram server for your SMS code because your app's data cache contains some sort of corrupted data. So to fix this problem, you have to just tap on the settings option and then you have to search for the apps option and then open it, and then you have to tap on the app management, and here you have to find the Instagram app, and here is the Instagram app. You have to open it, and now you have to tap on the storage usage option, and from here you have to clear the cache. And you can see the cache is now 0 bit. So you have to go back, and this could be helpful for you. And the next one is try to get the SMS messages from a different device. If you have tried everything else and still can't get an SMS code, try logging in and requesting the SMS code using a different device. For example, if you were using your iPhone or Android device, try logging in with a browser on your computer. Sometimes requesting a login from a different device will be all you need to get the code. So the last but not the least, you have to restart your device. Restarting your device can solve any problem. So you can try to restart your phone for solving your problem. So here's how you can fix Instagram OTP is not coming. And thank you.